Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can make or break your journey to financial success. 8 money mistakes to avoid to get rich and wealthy. Understanding and avoiding these common pitfalls is essential for anyone looking to build wealth and secure their financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on what not to do when it comes to managing your money. Imagine the impact these mistakes could have on your wealth-building journey. From missed opportunities to unnecessary losses, each misstep can set you back further from your financial goals. But fear not, as we're here to guide you through the do's and don'ts of money management. Throughout this video, we'll be sharing valuable insights and tips that can help you steer clear of these money mistakes. So stay tuned to discover how you can avoid these pitfalls and pave the way towards a richer and more prosperous future. Let's jump right in. Living beyond means. One of the most common money mistakes that can hinder your path to wealth accumulation is living beyond your means. This dangerous habit, also known as lifestyle inflation, occurs when your expenses consistently exceed your income, leading to a cycle of debt and financial instability. Lifestyle inflation can have a detrimental impact on your financial stability by preventing you from saving and investing for the future. As your expenses increase with your income, you may find yourself trapped in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, unable to build wealth or achieve your long-term financial goals. To combat this harmful trend, it's essential to create a budget that aligns with your financial limits and priorities. By tracking your expenses, setting realistic financial goals, and living within your means, you can break free from the cycle of lifestyle inflation and start building wealth effectively. Embracing frugality and adopting smart spending habits are key components of living within your means. By prioritizing needs over wants, cutting unnecessary expenses, and saving diligently, you can create a solid financial foundation for a prosperous future. Remember, small changes in your spending habits today can lead to significant wealth accumulation tomorrow. Neglecting savings. One of the most detrimental mistakes individuals make on their journey to wealth accumulation is neglecting savings. Failing to prioritize saving money not only hinders your ability to build wealth, but also leaves you vulnerable to financial emergencies and missed opportunities for growth. Building an emergency fund is a crucial first step in securing your financial future. Having a safety net of savings can protect you from unexpected expenses, job loss, or medical emergencies, ensuring that you stay on track towards your long-term financial goals. To make saving a priority, consider automating your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. By treating savings as a non-negotiable expense, you can ensure that you consistently set aside money for the future. Additionally, understanding the power of compound interest and the benefits of early investment can further motivate you to prioritize savings. By starting to save and invest early, you can take advantage of compounding returns and grow your wealth exponentially over time. Remember, neglecting savings today can have lasting implications on your long-term wealth growth. By making saving a priority, building an emergency fund, and investing wisely, you can set yourself up for financial success and security in the years to come. Debt mismanagement. Debt mismanagement is a significant obstacle on the path to wealth accumulation, as it can lead to a cycle of financial stress and hinder your ability to build a secure financial future. Understanding the different types of debt and their impact on your financial health is crucial in avoiding the pitfalls of debt mismanagement. From credit card debt to student loans and mortgages, various forms of debt can weigh you down and limit your ability to save and invest for the future. High-interest debt, in particular, can quickly spiral out of control, making it challenging to break free from the cycle of debt repayment. To combat debt mismanagement, it's essential to prioritize debt repayment strategies that focus on tackling high-interest debt first. By creating a repayment plan, consolidating debt where possible, and avoiding taking on new high-interest loans, you can make significant progress towards becoming debt-free. Responsible borrowing and prudent use of credit are key principles to keep in mind when managing debt. By borrowing only what you can afford to repay, making timely payments, and avoiding excessive debt accumulation, you can maintain a healthy financial outlook and prevent debt mismanagement from derailing your wealth-building efforts. Remember, A strategic approach to debt management is essential for achieving long-term financial success. Impulse spending. Impulse spending is a common mistake that can derail your financial goals and hinder your journey to wealth accumulation. Understanding the psychology behind impulse purchases and learning how to curb impulsive behavior are essential steps in regaining control of your finances. The urge to make impulse purchases is often driven by emotions, marketing tactics, and societal pressures. By recognizing these triggers and practicing mindfulness in your spending habits, you can avoid falling prey to impulsive buying and make more intentional financial decisions. To curb impulse spending, consider implementing techniques such as creating a shopping list, setting a budget before making purchases, and giving yourself a cooling-off period before buying non-essential items. By distinguishing between needs and wants, you can prioritize spending on essentials and allocate funds towards your long-term financial goals. Embracing delayed gratification and making thoughtful financial decisions are key strategies in overcoming impulse spending. By resisting the temptation of instant gratification and focusing on the bigger picture, you can cultivate a mindset of discipline and prudence that will serve you well in achieving financial success. Remember, practicing mindful spending, distinguishing between needs and wants, and embracing delayed gratification are powerful tools in combating impulse spending and staying on track towards your wealth-building goals. Ignoring investments. One of the most critical errors individuals can make on their financial journey is ignoring investments, thereby missing out on valuable opportunities for wealth building and long-term financial security. Understanding the significance of investing and taking proactive steps to explore different investment options are essential for maximizing your wealth potential. Investing plays a crucial role in achieving long-term financial growth and security by allowing your money to work for you and generate returns over time. By harnessing the power of compounding and strategic investment decisions, you can build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, there are various investment options available to suit different investment objectives and preferences. Diversifying your investment portfolio can help mitigate risk and optimize returns, ensuring a balanced approach to wealth accumulation. Encouraging viewers to start investing early and seek professional advice if needed is key to unlocking the full potential of their financial resources. By taking a proactive approach to investment planning, individuals can lay the foundation for a secure financial future and capitalize on wealth-building opportunities that may otherwise be missed. Remember, investing is a powerful tool for achieving financial success and should not be overlooked on your path to wealth accumulation. Lack of financial education. The mistake of lacking financial education can have a profound impact on your ability to make informed money decisions and secure your financial future. Understanding the importance of financial literacy and taking proactive steps to improve your financial knowledge are essential for navigating the complexities of personal finance effectively. Financial literacy plays a crucial role in managing personal finances, from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. By equipping yourself with the necessary knowledge and skills, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and aspirations. To enhance your financial education, consider exploring resources such as books, online courses, workshops, and financial planning tools. These resources can provide valuable insights into key financial concepts, strategies, and best practices for managing money effectively. Empowering viewers to take control of their financial education and seek learning opportunities is key to building a solid foundation for financial success. By investing in your financial literacy and continuously expanding your knowledge, you can gain the confidence and expertise needed to make sound financial decisions and achieve your long-term goals. Remember, financial education is a lifelong journey that can empower you to take charge of your financial future and build wealth with confidence. Overlooking insurance. One common oversight that can jeopardize your wealth and financial security is overlooking insurance coverage. Understanding the purpose of different types of insurance and the role they play in protecting your assets is crucial for effective risk management and safeguarding your wealth. Insurance serves as a vital tool in mitigating financial risks and providing a safety net against unforeseen events such as accidents, illnesses, natural disasters, and liability claims. From health and life insurance to auto, home, and disability coverage, each type of insurance plays a unique role in shielding you from financial losses and ensuring peace of mind. The consequences of being underinsured can be severe, leaving you vulnerable to significant financial hardships in the event of a crisis. By ensuring you have adequate coverage tailored to your specific needs and circumstances, you can protect your wealth and assets from unexpected setbacks. Encouraging viewers to review their insurance needs regularly and make informed decisions about their coverage is essential for maintaining financial stability. By staying informed about insurance options, comparing policies, and seeking professional advice when necessary, you can ensure that you have the right coverage in place to safeguard your wealth and protect your financial future. Remember, insurance is a critical component of a comprehensive financial plan and should not be overlooked in your wealth-building journey. Failing to plan for retirement. One of the most critical mistakes individuals can make is failing to plan for retirement, which can have significant implications on their financial security and quality of life in later years. Recognizing the importance of retirement planning and taking proactive steps to build a nest egg are essential for ensuring a comfortable and secure retirement. Retirement planning is crucial for maintaining financial independence and security during your golden years. By starting early and consistently saving for retirement, you can build a substantial nest egg that will support your lifestyle and cover expenses when you no longer have a steady income. Understanding retirement savings vehicles such as employer-sponsored retirement plans, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and annuities can help you maximize your savings and take advantage of tax benefits. By diversifying your retirement portfolio and adopting strategies that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals, you can set yourself up for a comfortable retirement. Empowering viewers to take proactive steps towards securing their financial future is key to ensuring a smooth transition into retirement. By setting clear retirement goals, creating a comprehensive financial plan, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your retirement strategy, you can build a solid foundation for a financially secure and fulfilling retirement. Remember, the earlier you start planning for retirement, the better prepared you'll be to enjoy your golden years with peace of mind and financial stability. We've explored the 8 money mistakes to avoid to get rich and wealthy, shedding light on common pitfalls that can hinder your financial success and wealth accumulation. By understanding these mistakes and implementing actionable insights, you can take proactive steps towards building a solid financial foundation and securing your future prosperity. Avoiding these mistakes is crucial for achieving financial success and wealth accumulation. From living beyond your means and neglecting savings to debt mismanagement and impulse spending, each misstep can have lasting implications on your financial well-being. By prioritizing financial literacy, investing wisely, and planning for retirement, you can set yourself on the path to long-term financial security and abundance. We encourage you to reflect on your financial habits, identify areas for improvement, and make positive changes that align with your financial goals. By taking control of your finances, seeking knowledge, and making informed decisions, you can pave the way towards a brighter financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and explore more financial content for continued learning and growth. Together, let's empower ourselves with financial knowledge and skills to achieve our wealth-building goals.
Thank you for watching.